How to create EdgeWallet account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create EdgeWallet account. So let's jump to the process. To create EdgeWallet account, you need to first make sure that you have EdgeWallet application on your mobile phone. Now tap on EdgeWallet application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see welcome page. Now tap on get started option. Then again tap on get started. Then again tap on get started option. After you do so, you need to set up PIN. So enter 4-digit code. With this, tap on next. Setting up PIN will help you improve your security. After you do so, you'll be able to create your guest account. Now here you need to select the wallets that you want to add. So you can tap on the toggle next to the wallet name. After you do so, tap on next. With this, now you'll be able to create your guest account. Now here you'll be guided to your home page. Now tap on the 3 lines present on the top right corner. After this, tap on settings option. Now tap on backup account option. Then again tap on backup account. Now here you need to create your username for your account. Tap on username box. Then enter the username that you want. After this, tap on next. Now here you need to create password for your account. Tap on password box. Then create a strong password for your account. Make sure the password fills up all the criteria that are mentioned. Now again re-enter the password on the given box. After you do so, tap on next option. Now once view all the terms of use, then tap on each one of the circle present. After you view all the terms of use, then tap on confirm option. Now here you can review your information. To create your account, tap on create option. With this, now your account of EdgeWallet will be created. Here on the top, you can see my account has been created. And this is how you simply create EdgeWallet account on your mobile phone. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.